Hello friends, welcome to Tables World Recipes. Today we're going to prepare a very healthy combo. We're going to make a salmon with couscous. A lot of people don't know what couscous is. Couscous is a type of a pasta since it's made with semolina flour, but it's not considered a pasta, and it's not a grain. It was born in the northwest of Africa, specifically in Algeria, Tunisia, and Morocco, between the end of the 11th century and the beginning of the 13th century. Normally, North Africa prepares this couscous and tops it with stews, but today we're going to prepare a salmon that we're going to put on top of it because it's full of omega-3 fats. Combine these together and we have a super healthy dish that I'm pretty sure you're going to love and enjoy. I'm going to show you how to make it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 pounds of salmon, 8.8 ounces of pearl couscous, 1.5 cups of water, half stick of butter, 0.5 ounces of fresh dill, 1 shallot, 2 lemons, and salt and pepper to taste. We're also going to prepare a tartar sauce with 3/4 cups of mayo, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of minced gherkins, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chopped capers, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to start by preparing our ingredients, so we're going to start chopping our dill, our shallot, our gherkins for our tartar sauce, and our capers. Then we're going to get the zest of our 2 lemons. It's easier to zest them before we juice them. Now we're going to prepare our tartar sauce first. In a bowl, we're going to combine our mayo, our chopped gherkins, our capers, our Dijon mustard, our white wine vinegar, and our dill. We're just going to combine everything real well. We're going to adjust with salt and pepper to taste. And our tartar sauce is ready. We're going to leave it in the fridge while we prepare the rest. Now we're going to take our salmon. I have a full fillet and I'm going to chop it into strips. These are going to be my fillets. Now that we have all our fillets ready, we're going to top them off with olive oil. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. And we're going to let them rest for a few minutes. Now we're going to prepare our couscous. I'm using a pan and my stove is off. We're going to add our lemon zest. I'm going to keep a little bit for later. We're going to add a drizzle of olive oil. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And I have my teapot with boiling water. I'm going to take my 1.5 cups of water. It's not an exact measure, we just need to make sure that all the couscous is covered with water. It shouldn't be swimming, just cover it. Now we're gonna mix it a little bit, and then we're gonna cover our pot, and the couscous is gonna steam for about 15 minutes. And that's it. Now we're going to prepare a shallot and lemon butter to add to our salmon before putting it in the oven. We're going to melt some butter. At this point, you should preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With our butter melted, I'm going to add the rest of the lemon zest and my shallots. We're going to cook our shallots just for a minute or two. And once they're ready, just to keep the theme, I'm going to add a little bit of dill and the juice of half a lemon. We're going to combine everything real well, and then we're going to remove it from the heat and let it cool down. It's only going to take a few minutes. Now, with our butter ready, I'm just going to top our salmon fillets. This is looking beautiful. And now we go into the oven for 15 minutes. You don't want to overcook your salmon. Our salmon is in the oven, our couscous is steaming, and before we prepare our dish, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like us to try. And at the end of this video, don't forget to give us a like. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our dish. After 15 minutes, our couscous should be ready, and we're just going to fluff it with a fork. Now we're just going to add a little bit more of our dill, and we're going to add our lemon juice. You can adjust to your preference. While it's still warm, we're going to combine this real well. And then we're going to adjust for salt and pepper. Because it's going with a fish, I like it peppery. We're going to mix, and our couscous is ready. At the same time, our salmon should be coming out of the oven, and look at that, it's looking beautiful. Now to plate, I'm going to make a bed of couscous in a long dish. And then we're going to put our salmon fillets on top. Remember, this recipe is for 4 people. Now for my individual portion, the same way, couscous at the bottom, a salmon fillet, and I'm going to add a little bit of my tartar sauce. This looks incredible. And now it's time to try our salmon and couscous. It's smelling fantastic, so let's go ahead. The salmon is cooked perfectly. The couscous salad with that lemon taste goes real well with the fish. And that tartar sauce, even though it's an extra, it goes really well and complements the whole dish. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.